How to split screen on your Samsung phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually split screen on your Samsung phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you are using one specific app, and while in the process you want to use some other app such as YouTube or anything else, and let's say that is the case, you don't want to exit out of a specific app and you want to use the other app. You can do that if you're using Samsung phone. Now keep in mind that I'm using the latest Android 13 One UI 5.1 based on the Android 13 skin, so this may apply to some of the older versions of phone, yeah, but not much too older or advanced than that. So what you want to do is, let's say that first of all I open up YouTube, right? I've opened up YouTube, and then while using YouTube I want to talk to my friend on WhatsApp, let's say. So I have to open them in split screen mode. Now for this I just need to swipe up from the recents menu like this, just like this. I'll swipe up and then you'll see this little pop-up over here where you'll see the YouTube app icon at the top. So you're gonna tap on the logo, and then here you'll find a section called open in split screen view, so you can just tap on open in split screen view. Now you can see YouTube is actually being played in the split screen mode over here. Now while this is actually playing, from the bottom, in the meantime I can go ahead and then open any other app. So it could be LinkedIn, it could be Messenger, it could be Instagram or anything else. I can go to notifications and I can use the other app. I can also increase or decrease the size by just dragging in and out this toggle, just like this. As you can see, when you do this you can simply increase and decrease the size of the one of the other apps if you'd like. Now in order to exit it, you can just swipe up like this and then you'll be exited out of this both applications over here. This is simply how you can go ahead and then use split screen on your Samsung phone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.